What up? This is your boy Snake Nation, Nation of the Gods. Yeah, we represent the gods. Lana, page the Snake Nation, the Nation of the Gods, page nama gods lately. Page eletha i-awareness kubantu. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngetopic enkulu ye-global financial architect. Lapha khona sazi khona isiqalo semali. Nasiphetho sayo ukuthi izifike ithi ifika kanjani njengamanje nje imali isebenza kanjani, imali kahle kahle iyini, amabhenki asebenza kanjani, imali eseculator kanjani, ifike kumabhenki kwi-system nje ihamba kanjani, because kubalulekile. Angeke uvele ufuna ukuba i-trillionaire, billionaire, millionaire ungayi-understand imali. Kufana ukuthi uqale understand imali. Wena you have to become i-system yoku-operate imali, uyazi imali because ayisetshenzwa kuphela ukuthi uzovela uqhamuke nje ususebenza mase uthola imali. No, leyo it's a wrong interpretation. Imali akukho kanjalo. So asiqale-ke ngetopic yethu yanamhlanje. Ungakhohlwa-ke to subscribe on our page, to hit that like button and to share this page nabangani bakho nama-family members, because leli page leSnake Nation, the Nation of the Gods, liyakhula, liletha i-awareness, ukukhula komqondo nolwazi olufihliwe kubantu. Ulwazi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi liphumele kubantu-ke manje. So sizoqala nje ngomsuka wemali manje, i-origin of money is how money was created. So isiqalo-ke semali siqala kanjani? Imali iqala lapha khona abantu beshintshana khona ngokoqobo nje, behweba nje ngokoqobo. Mangikunikeza i-cap, wena unginikeza iskipa. Unginikeza let's say esikhathini samanje nginikeza mhlampe like i-TV, wena unginikeza i-laptop. Kudala inkomo, wena unginikeza imbuzi. Umbila, wena unginikeza amakabishi, all that stuff. You understand? So there was a lot that was happening there between abantu, the people who were trading physically, and ukuhamba kwesikhathi abantu babona ukuthi hayi izinto zidinga manje ukulinganiselwa, where people started to be greedy, and baqala abantu baba nomona. Abanye babona ukuthi uma ngikunikeza imbuzi, wena unginika inkomo, kukwazi phela, wena nginika amakabishi awu-10, wena unginika ubhanana. So kwaqala ini-ke manje, kwaqala abantu ukuthi hey, yazini, asihwebeni ngamatshe, asihwebeni-ke ngegolide, asihwebeni ngesiliva. Amatshe-ke nakhona kwakhwetshwa ngamatshe, hhayi noma ngamaphi amatshe, but amatshe ane-value njengama-crystal stones, ama-diamonds, ama-gold, silvers. And kuhamba kwesikhathi abantu bakhandiwa ama-coin e-bronze, wakhandiwa ama-coin e-silver, wakhandiwa ama-coin egolide. Ngenxa yokuthi njalo nakhona bazama manje abantu ngithi the more bekhula bafuna ukwenza i-value. So uyabona nawe nginegolide eliningi, nginama-coin agcwele isikhwama. Agcina lento abantu betravela nayo, behamba nayo, beshintshana, bethenga nayo izinto. Igcina le mali isinda, lama-coin, leli golide, yabo. So ama-China aqala-ke i-system manje yani-ke yokutrade ngamaphepha, a-create i-bond. I-bond isikwenetu, imali yephepha. Akhanda-ke manje imali yephepha. Imali yephepha yaqala yaba ne-value ukuthi nje ngizokhanda i-bond ka-10 rand, ka-20 rand, 30 rand. Wena that's where i-banking system was introduced. Qala-ke i-banking system ya-introduce-wa kanjalo. Kwaqala amabhenke. Kanjani amabhenke? Amabhenke-ke a-collector-ke igolide labantu ukuthi eyabagcinela, eyabagadela. So ama-coin abantu ayabagadela. Wena into ezokwenzeka, mawufika uzofuna ama-coin akho, sizokubhalela u-10 rand ukuthi wena uthatha ama-coin ka-10 rand uyothenga ngawo, uthatha ama-coin a-100 rand uyothenga ngawo, uthatha igolide lika-20 rand wena olifunayo, sibhale iphepha lika-100 rand, yabo, kanjalo. So kwaqala kanjalo-ke kwaba i-trust yaba masemaphepheni manje, because money it's trust, i-attention yabantu, where people are focusing, where people are putting their trust on. Remember ukuthi imali ukuthembeka njengoba iphepha doesn't have value, but abantu bayalithemba ukuthi line-value. They have i-value yalo njengokuthi u-10 rand, 20 rand, 30 rand. And thina we are people who giving iphepha i-value, but paper is just a paper, a normal paper to any paper nje ungayithatha emgaqweni udweba u-10 rand, iphepha no-10 rand imali kanjalo. But thina we separate amaphepha ngendlela esiwabuka ngayo perception yethu, ukuthi leli ngoba lona lidizayinwe kanje linekhanda laMandela, so line-value kunalamanye amaphepha, but iphepha at the end of the day liyafana. So kwaqala kanjalo kwahamba isikhathi, so where people started to exchange manje ngamaphepha izinto abayifunayo, we understand, kwakhandwa amabhenke kwakhulwa. So yes, i-banking system nemali yephepha-ke yaqala kanjalo. So nje let me going forward from where we are now to from where we were and where we are now, la esisuka khona nokuthi la esikhona. So manje izinto seyishintshile, sekune-system i-better money, ukhweba ngokoqobo la khona abantu besebenzisa khona igolide, isawoti, isilver, konke lokho, but sadlula lapho kwakuyi-better money, i-better money le. Njengamanje i-markets where sesitrasta imali yey'nombolo, digital money, imali ye-cryptocurrency, ama-bonds, government bonds, credit card, loans, government bonds, imali seyishintshile, isingama-bonds, isingama-credits, credit card, money has shift from iphepha manje sekunama-digital numbers. Uyokhipha imali kwi-ATM but iphuma imali, wena ekhadini lakho bakwenzela ikhadi lakho beligcwalisa iy'namba, wena ukwazi ukumonitor let's say ukwazi uku-check-a lapha i-bank statement yakho, ukwazi uku-check-a lento le, ukwazi uku-check-a i-bank statement yakho, ukwazi uku-check-a kwi-app efonini njengamanje, because izinto sezimuva digital. So what happened is sekunama-mortgage, isikweletu sendlu, uvele uye ebhenki uma usebenzisa uhambisa i-credit score yakho, uma i-right credit score, ibhenki likuthengele lona indlu, wena ukhokhela ibhenki. That's another money that is created out of thin when uthenga indlu ka-30,000 ngesikwenetu, you understand. When uthenga imoto ka-100,000 ka-1 million ngesikwenetu, when you pay monthly fee. So that's another way of understanding imali. So imali, it's not about papers. Imali, it's about i-coin, i-value, igolide, iphepha. Money, it's everything. But now imali, it's trust. You understand? You have to think imali ngayo yonke indlela. You understand? So ngokuhamba-ke kwesikhathi-ke amabhange-ke asedala imali engekho. Imali engekho idalwa kanjani? Njengokuthi-ke uyafika uye ebhenki uyoboleka imali, uyoboleka 200,000. Ibhenke-ke bazokuhlalisa phansi, bekuthatha imininingwane yakho, beprint imali, beyifaka kwi-digital system, ya-reflect kwi-banking yakho. Leyo mali leyo ayiprintwanga but ifakwe nge-system, bayifake ngey'namba. So wena kumele uyikhokhe leyo mali. Leyo mali uzoyikhokha mhlawumbe let's say uthatha u-20,000, uthatha u-100,000, uthatha 200,000. So ibhenki li-create imali in double. How is that working? Imali ikhandwa kabili, idalwa kabili. So wena uma uthatha 200,000, uthatha 20,000, angithi wena le mali uzoyikhokha every month, but le mali awena usabuyisa lo 200,000. Mhlawumbe wena excuse me, ubuyisa seku-220,000 or 20,000 ubuyisa let's say seku-22,000. Ubani sekune-interest. Yes. So from imali creatiwe out of thin, but wena usuyibuyisa iseyiningi. So that's how banks are making money. So kanjalo yabo, manje olawula isikwenetu ulawula imali. You understand? So all people who owns how debts work, they control the money system, bamanipulate abantu, because imali eyisikwenetu ugcina usuyi-slave sayo, because wena ukhokha extra. You understand? Mina ngizocreate imali engekho kodwa wena uzokhokha usukhokha extra. So na-ke imali izifike-ke kithi kune-system-ke create-we imali kufika kwamabhenki ukuhambisa yonke imali, yabo. So imali iyimali yomlando kahle kahle. How countries are working, ama-bank system, who created the banking system, because thina njengama-South African, we didn't create i-banking system, ayiqalwanga yithina, thina sayifica isikhona leyo system. Sayifica isisebenza masijoyina, nathi sasineyethu indlela yokuhweba, njengoba ngisho besihweba nje physically, sihweba nje ngqo, yabo. So manje imali isibuye ibhede because manje ine-interest, ine-inflection, imali iluza iveli, imali yephepha iluza iveli, imali yey'namba iluza iveli. Because wena uma ugcina iy'namba zakho, mhlawumbe let's say ugcina u-100 wey'namba ebhenki, ugcina 200, emva kwa-5 years low 500 awusakwazi ukuthenga izinto ade uyithenga 5 years ago. Yabo, esikhathini esidlulile esingango-5 years awusakwazi ukuthenga izinto ngo-500 exactly obukwazi ukuyithenga because imali iluza ivelu. Kuba khona i-interest rate, kuba khona inflation, inyusa kwey'mpahla, ukuwa komnotho, ukukhuphuka komnotho, yabo, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So mase kuba khona i-modern money creation, yabo. Imali isidalwa kanjani-ke manje? Le mali ibizwa ngani? Ibizwa it's fractional reserve banking. Yes, fractional reserve banking. What is fractional reserve banking-ke? Ibizwa ngani-ke? Leyo mali-ke create-wa-ke nge-monetary policy le ngishoyo. Le mali create-wa ngama-inflation interest rates. Leyo mali ibizwa ngani-ke? Ama-Federal Reserve Banks, ama-Bank of England, South African Reserve Bank, ama-European, Japanese Central Bank, Chinese Central Bank, ama-European Central Banks. Ilabo-ke abalawula le mali ene-interest rate ene-inflation, yabo. I-fractional money ibizwa kanjalo. So ibona abantu abanepower yokusho ukuthi-ke i-market yase-South Africa ithini, yase-England ithini, yase-China ithini, yase-Russia ithini, you understand? Ngemali. Thina leyo mali izifike kithi la e-South Africa kwi-Reserve Bank nje kanje. Leyo mali leyo thina siyayiboleka kahle kahle. Kwakuyimanga thina sajoyina system vele sivele sebenza. So let me explain it. Ngibuyela back-ke manje esikhathini-ke silapho khona singenawo amandla khona okuphatha imali. Imali isaphethwa abantu abamnyama, isaphethwa abelungu, hhayi thina abantu abamnyama. So thina besihlala la e-South Africa, then apartheid happens, abelungu bafika la bathatha umhlaba wethu, bathatha yonke into. Bakhanda-ke ama-mine, bakhanda izindlu, bakhanda amadolobha, bakhanda yonke into, angithi. So bona bebesebenzisa yona vele le system. So ngizoku-explainela, ukuchazele kahle le system isebenza kanjani. So uma usuke e-England uze e-South Africa uzodla umhlaba, kunama-families afana bona, ama-families afana no-Rothschild, bona vele ba-create le money system circulation. Dala babeyiboleka amazwe, sisazofika lapho ukuthi kanjani babeyiboleka amazwe ayelwa izimpi. So wena ma ufika nebutho lakho uzodla umhlaba ngithi uwudla ngey'khali, nalezo y'khali ukuze uy'khande udinga imali uyayiboleka. Mhlawumbe let's say ufuna iy'khali, uhambe uyoyiboleka kuma-Rothschild, njenge-England, njengama-Dutch, ngoba ibona abasiphethe lamabhunu. So baboleka leyo mali, bekhanda iy'khali, bekhanda imikhumbi, bewele-ke beze la e-South Africa. Uma befika la e-South Africa befike bephuca abantu abamnyama indawo. Mase bephuca abantu abamnyama indawo-ke mase bekhanda la madolobha, bekhanda imigwaqo. So ukukhanda le migwaqo baxhaswa yiwo lamabhenki amakhulu. Sofika lapho nalezi, so bona mase bewudlile lo mhlaba, lamabhenki-ke mase bakhandela umgwaqo, bakhandela iy'kole zabo, bakhandele-ke amadolobha, bakhandele lamamayini namakhampani abo, basuka le ney'nto zabo. Bese-ke ebaboleka imali ukuthi-ke le mali-ke njengoba yonke into angithi bayayiboleka, iya-circulate-ke manje. Ibona babashayela futhi umthetho ukuthi le mali izosebenza kanjani, nizoyikhokha kanjani. Uma ningasayikhokhi sizodla umhlaba wenu, yabo. Sizokwenza ukuthini? So thina imali kahle kahle siyayiboleka. ngizokwenza nje kube short-ke sekubuyile. Bengichazela lapho ukuthi imali iqhamuka kanjani, but ngizokwenzela sengikwenzela short, siphethwe abantu abamnyama. Thina basinikeza manje, basinikeza thina izwe sesiyiwinile-ke i-apartheid ipolitiki, ANC is coming in. So abantu abamnyama banayo imali, bebelwa bona. So imali bayithola kanjani-ke? Kunamazwe anjengo-China, njengo-Russia bebesebenzisana nawo. So ababoleka imali, babe baboleka imali, leyo mali ithathwaphi-ke? Ithathwa kumabhenki amakhulu afana ama-Global Financial Institution, ikhungo ey'nkulu-ke lezo, ama-International Monetary Fund, kuzoba i-World Bank, kuzoba i-Bank of Settlement, yabo. Lawo mabhenki lawo iwona aboleka-ke amazwe naxhasa amazwe-ke manje ngokuthi-ke okay, thina South Africa-ke sifuna-ke manje-ke nesiboleka imali-ke ukuze sikwazi ukuthi-ke manje-ke sikhande ama-projects, sikhande imigwaqo, sikhande yabo, iy'khungo zamandla njengama-nuclear power station, amanzi, uklina amanzi system, yonke leyo nto leyo. So khona amabhenki amakhulu axhasa amazwe, axhasa ama-Reserve Bank nje kanje, ngoba kade ngithi la South Africa sine-Reserve Bank. So imali-ke thina siyithatha kwi-MMI, i-World Bank, mase kuba i-BAS, Bank of Settlement. I-Bank of Settlement iyona eshaya imithetho e-coordinate imali ukuthi imali iyaphi, ilawula nje imali ukuthi imali iyaphi, kuzoyimali engaka. Mhlawumbe let's say thina sifuna imali engango-10 billion, bethi anikwazi nina South Africa sonikeza u5 billion. Iy'namba lezo abayishoyo abazoyifaka kwi-system yethu ukuthi siyisebenzise, but thina sinegoli ukuthi sinayo yonke into, but leyo nto ayisebenzeli because we need imali ukuthi siqala ngithi manje, because lezi zinto ay'phethwe kithi zay'phethwe amabhondi. So imali ize kanjalo, le mali ihambisana inemithetho-ke phakathi le mali le. Imithetho yale mali-ke iqinile, uma ungasakwazi ukuyikhokha badla umhlaba, yabo, badle bathenga ama-government companies, nje bathatha o-Transnet, bethathe o-Eskom, o-Sasol, bafuna amakhampani akanjalo if ungasakwazi ukuyikhokha, yabo. So bona ngale i-World Bank-ke izokuxhasa-ke ama-funds, kukhandela imigwaqo, ama-projects e-energy yayo le mali. Bank of Settlement iyona econtrol-a le mali, yabo. Amazwe-ke uma ukuthi usey'nkingeni zemali uboleka kwi-monetary, ilokhuzana International Monetary Fund yakufanda ukuboleka uma ukuthi udinga imali, njengoba South Africa ihlezi iboleka imali. Then-ke sorry, lezi khungo-ke, yabo, zilawula-ke le mali-ke manje-ke, zilawula ne-market yakho ukuthi manje ngoba sesiyifaka-ke manje i-market, ukudla kwakho sekuzobiza kanje, i-tax yakho wena usuzo-tax abantu kanje, yabo. I-interest rate bakhontrola ngisho i-interest rate, yabo. Kahle kahle ama-national financial regulations, yabo, sunikezwa yibo imithetho manje, yabo, bayakukhontrola kahle kahle ngale mali system. So wena ukwazi ukukhontrolwa bona, yabo, wena uyaboleka kuphela masola, yabo. Okay, indlela-ke imali ehamba ngayo-ke mase bekubolekile, angithi manje bengisakukhombisa bakuboleka kanjani ukuze ifike-ke phela manje leyo mali-ke angithi ifikela-ke manje-ke kuma-Central Bank, njengo-Reserve Bank yase-South Africa, i-Reserve Bank njengoba ngisho yase-England, yase-Europe, yase-China, kuphi kuphi, ifikela lapho-ke imali. So bona labo-ke mase beyayihluza-ke imali ukuthi iyaphi-ke iya kuma-commercial banks manje. Ama-commercial banks obani? O-ABSA, yabo, o-ABSA, o-Nedbank, olokhuzana, o-Capitec. From lapho leyo mali izosebenza kanjani le mali ade ngisho? Ilindele abantu abazoyiboleka-ke manje, abaqhamuka ngama-loan. Angithi wena unemali yakho uyifaka ebhenki, but khona ababolekayo imali, ama-loan, ama-credits, abanama-credit cards, yabo. So iqhamuka kanjalo-ke le mali ilindela lokho. So ama-commercial banks then base beyithatha enye imali beyifaka ku-market circulation, njengama company pricing now, company valuation, kuma-stocks, government bonds, kuma-bonds, ku-forex now, where you can buy ama-currency. You understand? Ngayo le mali. Then futhi le mali iphinde ihlukaniswe iye kuma-investment funds, njengama-government bonds, kuma-ETFs, kuma-Trust C, where le mali ifakwa khona. Big money moves, you understand? I-security mali. Bese kuba khona-ke ama-corporations-ke now, big companies, njengo-Petrosmart ngoba be-own ama-mine. Abantu abanama-company amakhulu bayayiboleka futhi le mali. Inikezwa bona because bona what they do, ba-create amathuba emisebenzi. So after sebe-create-ile-ke amathuba emisebenzi-ke, angithi-ke ilapho-ke abantu-ke abantu-ke abancane-ke abangena khona-ke, abantu-ke abangama-South African residents abasebenzayo bezohola-ke emsebenzini. So ama-consumption labours, yabo, ifika kanjalo-ke kuba imali because bona bayayisebenzela kuma-corporations, ama-corporations a-create amathuba emisebenzi eholele bona, but ama-corporations imali ayayiboleka kuma-banks, ayayiboleka futhi ku-Reserve Bank, futhi ayayiboleka emabhenki. Let's say uvule nje i-company construction, infrastructure, ye-technology, asuyitholile i-contract ye-bank, ufike ubudget nayo i-contract 10 years, 5 years, engiyitholile, ngizosebenza eSasol, ngizosebenza eTransnet, ngizosebenza kuphi, but I need money to start this business. I-contract yakho bayibone ukuthi i-valid, i-legit, then bakunikeza leyo mali, bekuthengela imishini, wena usuzolokhu bakhokhela kancane, isine-interest. So that's how money was created, and that's how money is circulating. Ifika kanjalo-ke kithi-ke thina-ke mase siyenzani-ke, angithi lama-corporation futhi yibo o-Shoprite, o-Pick n Pay, o-Pep, obani. Thina mase siyitholile ama-corporation futhi ade siyisebenzela kuma-pension, imali yeqola. Ngithi futhi le mali i-Reserve Bank izoyinikeza ugovernment a-create le mali, akhande ngayo imigwaqo, anikeza abantu iqolo. And ugovernment is doing what also, u-tax abantu abasebenza ama-corporations, eyi-collect le mali nge-tax, ekhanda imigwaqo, ekhanda igole, ekhanda ibhedlela. So that's how money is circulated, create amathuba emisebenzi no-government. Abantu behola, beyothenga iy'tolo zi-order, like globally, i-economics, as it says, i-money is circulating now worldwide, kodwa ukufika kwayo iqala ngesikwenetu. So I hopefully usuye-understand imali. People who are working for money, they must stop work for money. They must think ukuthi imali ayisilona iphepha, but imali i-trust, imali iyi-system, iyindlela yokuhamba kwamandla, energy, olawula-ke leyo system, olawula leyo energy, olawula leso sikwenetu, unamandla okulawula abantu, because uyena obatshela ukuthi mina kwi-system ngizofaka imali engaka, ukudla kwenu kuzobiza kanje, upetrol wenu, yonke into ibona abalawulayo. Thina nje asiyilawuli because thina sijoyine kwi-system vele ebisebenza, and in which was working for the longest time. Thina sinayo i-system yethu, thina we join in a system because ugovernment wethu, they give ugovernment i-system yabo. So thina asikaze siyiqalele yethu i-system. So that's how money is circulated. Iyona ndlela esivula ngayo umqondo. Hopefully next time sizoba no part 2 waleli page. Now sesikhuluma-ke lapho-ke sobe sesigxila ku-forex, sesigxila kwi-stock, sesigxila kuma-business companies, kwi-economics, kuma-transportations, kuma-imports nama-exports, ukuthi iy'mpahla zikhipha kanjani, uzuza kanjani, wa-create kanjani ama-company, corporations. But i-aim yaleli page is to tell people how to make money, how to create i-innovation, how to be productive. Inhloso leyo ukuthi ukuvula nje umqondo, sazi ngemali, senze imali, because manje isikhathi sokusebenzela omunye umuntu sesiphelile. Manje isikhathi solwazi ukuthi hhayi isikhathi sokubhiliva ukuthi wena uyabhilivani, isikhathi sokwazi ukuthi imali isebenza kanje, mina ngingazuza kanjani, because la ma-list ekubalele wona. Ungaqala ngisho ibhenke lakho, business lakho, unga-trade, unga-investor, ibambe le phezulu imali la iningi khona, hhayi la khona uhola khona 3,000, 5,000, yabo. Njengami nje le information ngiyifundile yonke, ngangingekho smart, but sengiyayazi. Kunabantu-ke abayisebenzisile nabo abayifundele bona. Ikhona iyatholakala le information, uma uyifuna zikhona iy'ncwadi ey'bhaliwe ngesiZulu, ey'bhalwe nge-English. Kimi nginazo ezami engiy'bhalele mina ze-Snake Nation. Zikhona engakurekhomendela kuzo, akhona amavidiyo engakurekhomendela kuwo. I-guidance nje ungayithola, i-mentorship ungayithola. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ukhulise leli page le-Snake Nation. Maningi amavidiyo azayo, ulwazi nisazoluthola nje. Danko. Poof.